Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
There are also several ways that you can create a basic data entry form by using the buttons that are available in the Forms button group on the Create tab within the ribbon. Note that starting in Access 2010, some of these form button choices have been moved to the More Forms drop-down button that appears. To create a form in this manner, however, you must first select the name of the table or query within the navigation pane for which you want to create an associated data entry form. Once you have made your selection, you can then click on the type of form that you want to create from the buttons that are listed in the Forms button group on the Create tab in the ribbon. When you do that, Access instantly creates a form of the specified type for the selected table or query. The only difference between the forms that are created is the style of form that you select when you click the corresponding button. Let's examine some of the more popular choices and how each button selection changes the layout of the resultant form. You can select your desired table or query from the navigation pane, and then click the Form button that appears in the Forms button group in order to create a standard data entry form. In Access 2013, this creates a split form style form by default. In Access 2010 through 2007, it creates a form that displays one record at a time from the underlying data source. You can choose the Split Form button to create a split form that shows the current record at the top of the form and an accompanying datasheet view of the underlying data source at the bottom of the form. You can choose the Multiple Items button to create a form that displays multiple records in the form, but only each record in its own row within the form. Now note that in Access 2013 and 2010, the split form and multiple items choices have been moved to the choices that are available from the More Forms buttons drop-down menu in the Forms button group on the Create tab in the ribbon.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.